In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to remove footer on Wix website. First, click on the Edit Site button to access the website editor. In the editor section, navigate to the page where the footer is located. Look for the footer section at the bottom of the page. Click on the footer section to select it. Click on the Settings or Edit option to access the footer customization options. Look for the option to hide or remove the footer. Toggle the option to hide or remove the footer from your website. Save your changes by clicking on the Save or Publish button. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.